2 tasteful baked cauliflower dips. Breaded cauliflower baked in the oven. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Let's get started. 1 medium-sized cauliflower. Remove your cauliflower florets and cut into small pieces. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl and add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. In another small bowl, add 1½ cups of breadcrumbs. Dip your cauliflower into the egg mixture first and then into the breadcrumbs. Now place your cauliflower onto an oven tray. Spray the cauliflowers with cooking oil. Bake at 180 degrees for 35 minutes or until golden brown. One medium-sized cauliflower. Cut the cauliflower and place into a food processor. Now process the cauliflower. Place the processed cauliflower into a large bowl. Add 120 grams of grated cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes. Now add 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and sprinkle some nigella seeds. Mix until the ingredients are well incorporated. Roll the cauliflower cheese into small balls. Place the cauliflower on a baking sheet. Drizzle or spray some olive oil. Bake at 210 degrees for 25 minutes or until golden in colour. Light and tasteful cauliflower dips. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next video. Bye for now.